Part 6, Silk Road. Now, the author, Nick Middleton, when he reached Darchan, he passed a very restless night. He could not sleep whole night because he was gasping, he was breathing very, very hard again, and he could not sleep whole day. And so he stayed awake all night. Now, Zaytan took me to the Darchan Medical College the following morning. The medical college at Darchan was new and looked like a monastery from the outside with a very solid door that led into a large courtyard. So it looked like a monastery. And you know what is a monastery? Monastery is where the monks they live, and Buddhist monks they live. And it had a solid door and a large courtyard. अंदर सहन बहुत बड़ा था. We found the consulting room, which was dark and cold and occupied by a Tibetan doctor who wore none of the paraphernalia that I had been expecting. And he was wearing nothing, no furnishings and no white coat. He looked like any other Tibetan with a thick pullover and a woolly hat. When I explained my sleepless symptoms and my sudden aversion to lying down, aversion means his great dislike to lying down, he shot me a few questions while feeling the veins in my wrist. And then he checked his veins. उन्होंने उनकी नब्ज देखी. It's a cold, he said, finally through Zetan. A cold and the effects of altitude. So he concluded that it was nothing but cold and effects of the height. I'll give you something for it. I asked him if he thought I would recover enough to be able to do the Kora. Oh yes, he said, you will be fine. I walked out of the medical college, holding a brown envelope stuffed with 15 screws of paper. So he was holding 15. Screws means twisted pieces of paper. I had a 5-day course of Tibetan medicine, which I started right away. I opened an after breakfast package and I found it contained a brown powder that I had to take with hot water. It tasted just like cinnamon, और वो बिल्कुल cinnamon की तरह से था. That is a spice. The contents of the lunchtime and bedtime packages were less obviously identifiable, and so he just identified this one. ये cinnamon था कहीं ना कहीं, और बाकी जो lunch और bedtime के थे वो उनको recognize नहीं कर पाए. Both contained small spherical brown pellets. Pellets means small pills. They looked suspiciously like sheep dung, और वो बिल्कुल sheep का excrement लग रहा था. But of course I took them. That night, after my first full day's course, I slept very soundly, like a log and not a dead man. So he slept not a dead man, but like a log. Like a log means very sound sleep. Once he saw that I was going to live, Zaytan left me to return to Lhasa. And when Zaytan was convinced that he was going to live, he will not die, so he returned to Lhasa. As a Buddhist, he told me, he knew that it didn't really matter if I passed away, but he thought it would be bad for business. And Zaytan confessed in front of author. He said, as a Buddhist, he told that if he passed, that was not the matter. अगर वो मर जाते, but ये उनकी business के लिए बहुत गलत हो जाता. Darchan didn't look so horrible after a good night's sleep. And in the morning, he found that Darchan was not very horrible. इतनी fearful नहीं है जैसे उसको रात को लग रही थी. Naturally, if you have a good sleep, everything looks good to you. It was still dusty, partially derelict. Derelict means abandoned, khali khali, empty, and punctuated. Punctuated means dotted with. It was dotted with heaps of rubble. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी piles थी rubble की. Rubble means broken pieces of stones and bricks and refuge and all the dirt. But the sun shone brilliantly in a clear blue sky. And one thing was good, that sun was shining very, very brilliantly in the blue sky. And the outlook across the plain to the south gave me a vision of the Himalayas. And when he saw in the sky, he saw the vision. It was a picture of the Himalayas, commanded by a huge snow-capped mountain. और उसने देखा एक बहुत बड़ा सा mountain है. It was called Gurla Mandhata, with just a wisp of cloud. Wisp means long thin line of cloud suspended over its summit, and the long thin cloud which was hanging on its top. The town had a couple of rudimentary general stores selling Chinese cigarettes, soap, and other basic provisions as well as the usual strings of prayer flags. And this town, Darchen, it had very few rudimentary means basic general stores, which sold generally Chinese cigarettes, soap, and other basic provisions, as well as usual strings of prayer flags. And as the is a custom, the ritual of Buddhists, they have the prayer flags. वो एक रस्सी में बंधे होते हैं, strings of prayer flags. In front of one, man gathered in the afternoon मैन गैदर्ड इन द आफ्टरनून फॉर अ गेम ऑफ पूल. और एक स्टोर के आगे एक टेबल थी, उस पर लोग पूल खेल रहे थे. द बैटर्ड टेबल, बैटर्ड मीन स्टोन, फटी हुई सी टेबल, लुकिंग सुप्रीमली इनकॉन्ग्रुअस इन द ओपन एयर, एंड इट लुक वेरी अनसूटेबल. वहाँ पर बड़ी अनसूटेबल, बड़ी स्ट्रेंज लग रही थी ओपन एयर में. वाइल नियर बाय विमेन वॉश देयर लॉन्ग हेयर इन द आइसी वाटर ऑफ अ नैरो ब्रूक. और वहीं पर एक ब्रूक था, छोटी सी रिवर थी, एंड द लेडीज दे वर women, they were washing their head in the cold water that babbled down past my guest house. That brook, it was babbled down. Babbled down means it was flowing very noisily. शोर करता हुआ वो brook जो था, छोटी सी river, small river, it was passing past just nearby his guest house. Darchen felt relaxed and unhurried, but for me it came with a significant drawback. There were no pilgrims. Now Darchen felt very relaxed. Darchen में सब कुछ बड़ा relaxing था, no hurry, nothing, and it was a drawback for author, because there were no pilgrims. I had been told that at the height of the pilgrimage season, the town was bustling with visitors. And so when he came to know कि जो pilgrimage season होता है, then the town is busy with the visitors. Many brought their own accommodation, enlarging the settlement around its edges as they set up their tents, which spilled down onto the plain. और जो pilgrims आते हैं, they bring their own accommodation, they bring their own tents, and then they enlarge the settlements. वो जो है उनके जो tents होते हैं, they spread out. Spilled means they spread out to the plain. Plains तक चले जाते हैं, इतने tents होते हैं. And I had timed my arrival for the beginning of the season, but it seemed I was too early. And then author realized कि उन्होंने जो अपना season के starting में अपना program बनाया, but that was very very early. One afternoon, I sat pondering my options over a glass of tea in Darchen's only cafe. And one afternoon, he was sitting in the only cafe of the Darchen. Darchen में कभी एक ही cafe था, and he was pondering, he was thinking, considering कि अब क्या करना चाहिए. After a little consideration, I concluded they were severely limited. Clearly, I hadn't made much progress with my self-help program on positive thinking. और यहाँ पर उन्हें लगा कि अभी तक उनकी ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस नहीं पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग की. ही वॉज स्टिल टेंस के अब व्हाट टू डू, बिकॉज ही कैन नॉट गो अलोन टू परफॉर्म कोरा. ही नीड सम मोर पीपल. In my defense, it hadn't been easy with all my sleeping difficulties, but however I looked at it, I could only wait. और अपने डिफेंस में उन्होंने सोचा कि he cannot go up, he had the sleeping difficulty also, and then he only thought कि one option is there, he had to wait. The pilgrimage trail was well trodden. फिर उन्होंने देखा कि जो पिलग्रिमेज का जो रूट है, जो ट्रेल है, जो रास्ता है, इट इज़ वेरी वेल ट्रोडन. वेल ट्रोडन मीन्स इट इज़ नेचुरली, इट इज़ वेरी वेल डिफाइंड. वो बहुत अच्छा सा है. बट इट डिडेंट फैंसी डूइंग इट अलोन, बट ही डिड नॉट वॉन्ट. डिडेंट फैंसी मीन्स बट ही डिडेंट वॉन्ट टू डू इट अलोन. द कोरा वॉज सीजनल बिकॉज पार्ट्स ऑफ द रूट वर लायबल टू ब्लॉकेज बाय स्नो. और कोरा जो है, पिलग्रिमेज जो है, वो बड़ा सीजनल है, कुछ ही टाइम के लिए होता है. बिकॉज पार्ट्स ऑफ द रूट, जो रूट है, it is always prone. Liable means it is prone to blockages by snow. वो snow से बंद हो जाता है. I had no idea whether or not the snow had cleared, but I wasn't encouraged by the chunks of dirty ice that still clung to the banks of Darchen's brook. उनको ये आइडिया तो नहीं था कि वहाँ पे स्नो है या नहीं, स्नो क्लियर हो गया या नहीं, बट ही वॉजेंट इनकरेज्ड. बट उनको लग रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं जो चंक्स हैं, सॉलिड जो पीसेस हैं, थिक सॉलिड पीसेस, अभी भी डार्चन का जो ब्रूक था, जो रिवर है, उसके साइड्स में उनको आइस दिखाई दे रही थी. Since Zetan had left, I hadn't come across anyone in Darchen with enough English to answer even this most basic question. And since Zetan had gone, he did not meet anybody who knew English even to answer this question, if at this time he can find the snow on his way or not.